If you're using a window manager, chances are you're using Nitrogen or Fe to manage your wallpapers, and that's absolutely fine. They're both great programs and that's a fine way of working. If you're in Qtile, you can actually do it natively. There's two ways of doing it. One is just a standard way of just applying either a fill or a stretch wallpaper, and you don't need to install anything for that. Or there's a nice little menu bar widget as well, which you can click on, and that will change wallpapers in a set directory. So let's go to our config.py, and that's in .config qtile config.py again. And you don't need to add any imports. You just need to go down to the screens list here. And we are defining down here after this bar height. Now you probably won't have this comment, it'll probably just look like that. And we can set just a static wallpaper. So just after this bracket and comma, we can add another item, and we can give wallpaper, the wallpaper variable, the value of a string, and the string is the location of your wallpaper. So I've given it an absolute location, but I think you can probably use your tilde there if you wanted instead of home and username. So I've just put a PNG in this place, told Qtile where it is, and assigned it to the wallpaper variable, then a comma because we're adding another variable, and this is the mode of the wallpaper. So wallpaper underscore mode equals this string, and you can either put in a string of fill or stretch. Fill will put your wallpaper in the middle of the screen and just fill the screen, and stretch, if you've got a smaller image, will just stretch it to the size of the screen, just like if you're using any other wallpaper widget. That's it, just add those two lines, reload your config with super control R, and then you'll have an image on the background. Okay, so that's static wallpapers. And how do we do it the other way? How do we put our wallpaper widget in? Well, let's just comment these out so we don't get the static anymore. And we're just going to go up to our widgets. So this is just where we're declaring all of our widgets. And this is the line here, so we can add widget.wallpaper because it's the wallpaper widget. And the first item is the directory that your wallpapers are in. So get a load of wallpapers, put them in a directory, and then tell Qtile where that directory is. Then the next item is the background color, and that could be any color you like, standard hex colors. And then the label is the string that will appear on your widget, just like I've got right here. And for this one, we'll actually need to install Fe. So if you don't have Fe installed, all you need to do, assuming you've already updated your system with a pacman syu like that, we can just do sudo pacman tag capital S Fe. Press enter and install that. And now when we refresh our config, we have a wallpaper widget. So with the background color and the label. And now when I click on this, it will cycle through all the wallpapers I've put in that folder. And that's it. If you've got anything in your xinit RC, then you can delete that. So if you've got like nitrogen or something in there, you can just remove that line because you don't need it anymore. And that's how you just do wallpapers natively in Qtile.